Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming quick prerequisites so the relocation works smoothly. First, ensure your iPhone is on the latest iOS. This prevents unexpected behavior. Next, open the app library and search Wallet. If it's there, you're ready. Once done, press and hold the wallet icon until options appear. Don't force quit or restart yet. Make sure your Apple ID is active so Wallet can access passes and cards when you move it back to the home screen. Now perform the detailed move. Open the app library, locate Wallet in the Utilities or Search box, and touch and hold the icon. When it lifts, drag it toward the left edge to slide into the home screen. This is the crucial middle step. If you need exact placement, keep holding and use a thumb to nudge icons aside. Once positioned, release to drop. If you prefer quick access, slide it into the dock or into a folder with related apps for easier organization. Finish by exiting jiggle mode. Tap Done or press the Home/Side button so the icon remains fixed. Verify Wallet opens and shows cards. This confirms success. If Wallet isn't in the app library, reinstall from the App Store and repeat the drag action. If the icon won't stay put, restart your iPhone and try again. That clears temporary glitches. As a final tip, if passes don't appear after moving, open Settings Wallet to re-enable Apple Pay and pass permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.